Quick update on reassembly. All parts cleaned, all new seals, injectors, all seals replaced, both sides. High pressure pump, new intake gaskets, everything was leaking. Put a new pigtail in the ICP. This is the Ford factory. I don't like this heat shield, but right now that's what we're working with. Upon inspection, voila, this is what we find. We ordered a new one. We're going to try to repair it, get it started, get it running, and then we'll go from there. But we're all set up. All our stuff is prepped to go. New thermostats, oil rings, everything.